Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the main control board in this KitchenAid dishwasher, you will need a T15 Torx bit and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, turn off the power to the dishwasher. Open the dishwasher door and use the T15 Torx bit to unthread the 8 side screws and the top right screw, holding the inner and outer door panels together. Unthread the top right door latch screw last. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift the outer door panel up to detach. Disconnect the user interface wire connector and detach the wire retainer so you can set the outer door panel aside. Use the small flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tab, then lift the main control board up to detach. Release the wires from the retaining hook and open the 2 wire connector covers. Note the orientation of the wires connected to the board. Then disconnect the 6 wire connectors, as well as the 4 individual wires. To install the new main control board, connect all of the wires and connectors to the appropriate terminals on the board. Close the covers and secure the wires in the retaining hook. Align the rear main control board tabs with the slots in the support bracket and push the component down to snap it into place. Reinstall the outer door panel by first connecting the user interface wire connector and securing the wire retainer. Make sure the console seal is in place. Then slide the side edges of the outer panel behind the retaining brackets. Then lift the panel up to join it with the inner door panel. Rethread the screws to secure. The top right door latch screw should be threaded first. That screw and the 2 upper side screws are longer than the 6 remaining side screws. With all the screws secured, turn the power supply back on, and the dishwasher should be ready for use.